Welcome back to Morning Markets on Thursday the 10th of November. Two aspects to cover off this morning. The announcement from Meta, which is Facebook's parent company, which was announced yesterday, and a brief update on the US midterm elections so far. So in terms of Meta is the parent company of Facebook. Last month they reported third quarter earnings, and in the earnings report they were highlighting a fall in revenue growth and profit growth. Following the announcement, the chief exec, Mark Zuckerberg, came out and announced their focus on driving efficiencies as they look forward. And yesterday we received further information on that. The group intend to cut 11,000 employees, which is around 13% of the workforce. Unsurprisingly, this coincides with hiring freezes, budget reductions in office space, so potential office closures there. The company's platform groups, which include Facebook, include WhatsApp, have been in huge demand through the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. To give you some context, the group employed nearly 27,000 additional employees during that time. So following the announcement, the market reaction was actually positive because it's Facebook, the group and Meta refocusing their objectives in terms of driving efficiencies after they've been investing a huge amount of money in the new Meta universe, which has got a very long payoff profile. This is another example of job cuts which we've seen across the US social media platform space in recent weeks. Elsewhere, demand for workers in the US remains robust. Unemployment levels in the US are still running near historically low levels at 3.7%. In terms of the US midterm elections, it's too early to call at this stage. We're going to provide some further detail as we've received firm results through, but at this stage, it looks as though the Democrats are advancing in retaining control of the House of Representatives, however very tight running for the Senate, the impact of which will, of course, be very important for the future pathway of policy and the impact on the economy as we look forward. Later today, we'll also receive the updated inflation prints in the US. At this stage, markets are anticipating the headline level to soften moderately, still reflecting some of those sticky aspects which we've been discussing, but for the core aspects to be more sticky in terms of coming down at a slower pace. We'll provide a further update on this with firm announcements coming later in the day here on Morning Markets. Thank you very much for watching.
If you're interested in taking your investing to the next level or would like to know more about the options available to you when you retire, then download our free guides to ISAs and pensions. These are available in the video description below.